How many of us treat life like the claw machine from Toy Story? Just hoping that this claw is going to come out of the sky one day, pick us up, and drop us into the life that we want. One day we'll wake up and we'll be the writer, or we'll be the popular YouTuber, or we'll have that huge online business, or that following, or we'll be a millionaire. And us supposedly sane, clever, well-educated people believe that lie, that one day our prince is going to show up and is going to save us. And those of us who are on this kind of safe path of just being a kind of small cog in the machine hope at one point that something's going to happen. Something randomly is going to happen. That elderly relative is going to die. They're going to give us all the money. We're going to have a scratch card. It's going to have $1 million on it, or we're going to find treasure. But something randomly is going to happen that's going to change our life. And this kind of lie that we tell ourselves, because it is a lie, but we actually tell ourselves a lie so well, we actually believe that it's going to happen, that one day all our numbers are going to come up. It's going to be hunky-dory from that point onwards. And because we kind of believe this, we kind of sit back and we don't act. We just kind of wait around for this magical moment to happen. And yet, for a fact, if you want your life to change, you need to be in control of it. You need to be taking action. You need to be taking actions that are going to bring you in the direction that you want to go. If you want to be that published author, it would make sense that you would start writing your book. If you want to be popular on YouTube, make the videos. If you want to have a huge online business, well, then you need to start working on the business right now. You need to start working on products, services, but creating something that we want and that you can make money from. But how many of us are doing that? We're just kind of sitting around waiting for this magical opportunity just to show up. So what I'd say to you is that maybe you should stop buying into this idea of being like that little alien in the claw machine, thinking that life is just randomly just going to throw everything your way. Wouldn't it make more sense to actually take control of your life? Take the actions you need to do. Now you're going to find that the actions you're going to take won't always be successful. You're going to mess up. You're going to have failures. You're probably going to have failures in front of us. But you need to go through those things to get to the life that you want. So what I'd say to you today is maybe it's time to stop waiting for the magical claw hand to come down and pick you up and start taking control of your life. Stop waiting to be picked and actually pick yourself. Instead of the odds of a lottery win coming up, what are the odds like on you actually picking yourself and working towards the life that you want? Isn't that better odds? Betting all on you than betting on some random moment happening in the future. I don't know about you, but that to me is a clever and a saner thing. And the fact is that when you actually try and do that, or kind of go off doing the thing you'd like to do, supposedly our sane friends, people who are on the safe path, will tell us that we're crazy. You're crazy writing a book. You're crazy putting your face on camera. You're crazy trying to build that business. It's not going to work. And yet those are the people who are hoping that at some point the claw is going to lift them from where they are into the ideal life. And they'll tell you that you're crazy. So what I'd say to you is bet on yourself today. Do something crazy. But stop waiting around for the claw machine to pluck you from where you are to where you want to be, because that might never happen. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.